Welcome back guys in the lecture of HTML. Today we are going to cover these two topics, that is what is anchor tag, image tag, video tag, audio tag, and the second point is we will see the CSS effects on HTML tags basically. Okay, so coming on the first point, that is anchor tag. So this is the technical term, okay, in the form of HTML you can say, but everyone knows what is in anchor tag. Okay, everyone saw the hyperlinks in the PDF files or the Microsoft Word or somewhere else. Okay, so those hyperlinks we call anchor tag in the term of HTML. Okay, so the second is image tag. Okay, we will see in this how to integrate a image on a web page or in a website. Okay, so same wise video also and same wise audio also. Okay, so the first one is anchor tag. Simply the definition is if we are jumping from one page to another through a through some object you can say, so that object we call as anchor tag or a link basically. Suppose uh, let's open any website. Okay, suppose you are opening our website, that is blueihub.com. Okay, and if you are clicking here, so this is working as a anchor tag. Okay guys, so first is our anchor tag. We will see how to implement this image also, video also, and audio also. Okay guys, so let's do it. I have created a folder called HTML session, and let's delete everything and let me create a new file here. Just name it link tags dot html. Okay guys, and edit with notepad plus plus. Here we go. Okay, so what is the first step? We have to select the language, convert it into HTML. So it's already selected here. So let me write the syntax of the HTML, doc type HTML, and we have to write HTML. We have to close HTML. Okay, second is head, close head, body, and close body. Okay guys, so we have done. We will implement the title also, what we call link tags. Okay, let's run this. Okay, I have to select a program. Okay, run. So we got our title here. Okay, now let's give the heading inside h3 tag, what we call anchor tag, and close the s3 tag here, and just see how to write an anchor tag. Okay, this is also of container type. What is container sorry, what is container tag? Which is having opening and closing tags, remember? Okay, so a href here, I will explain you, just give me a time. Okay, suppose home, and we have close anchor tag. So here A stand for anchor, okay. Href is for hyper reference, okay, means kind of what which path we are going to open, okay, after clicking on this home word, okay. I think it's clear. So ahref means anchor, href means hyper reference. We have to give here path, which file we want to open when somebody click on home, okay. Just run this first, okay. Anchor tag, see, I have applied an anchor tag on this text home, and its design automatically gets changed. It is showing that link is there, and if you mouse hover on this, your mouse pointer will also get changed, okay. So it's changed to arrow, sorry, it's changed from arrow to what you can palm, your hand, okay. So if you click on this, nothing is happening because we didn't give any path right now, okay. So let's come back to our this folder, HTML session folder, that we have created one file, and I'm going to create another also. Let's copy this and paste, and let's rename this second page, okay. And let's edit this with notepad plus plus, and make a heading, welcome to second page, okay. So it's nicely done, okay. So this is our first page, that is link tags. This is our first page, and second page, this is our second page. So what we have to give here, we have to give the path of the second page, that is second page dot html. Remember, the name here should be same as the file name here that we are using, okay. Not even a single mistake you have to do, okay. Everything should be same. Like, just copy its name and paste in this anchor tag, okay. Now run this file. So if we click here, see, we got our second page. Hope it's clear now. And we can do one more thing. In the second page, we can apply one anchor tag also. We can name it like move to back, move to back page, okay. Or simply go back, go back, because I don't want to click here on the back arrow. I want link like this here also, okay. We got here, go back, and I have to give the path of the first file. What is the name of our first file? Link tags, okay. Let me copy the name of this file, let me paste on the second page. Now it's working. See, we are on first page, home, okay. If we click on home, it is going to the second page, and one more anchor tag is there, that is go back. If I click on the go back, it is going to the first page. So nicely done. I hope this anchor tag is clear now, okay. So what we have learned about this tag, this is of container type, okay, which is having opening and closing, okay. And it's the start from A, After it, we have to give the path of the file or the link. Okay, I will show you one more thing. Even you can copy the path also and paste here. Okay, now if I refresh and if I click, it is going to the website directly. See. Okay, so always remember, whatever the path you are giving in the href or the hyper reference, that path should be valid or should be correct one. Okay guys, so I hope this is clear. Okay, so now the our second topic is image tag. Okay, so before jumping on this topic, I would like to clear a um, few doubt. Okay, maybe some people stuck in this tag basically because they don't know how to do that. Okay, so I have taken a picture of a bucket here. So remember this bucket as your folder. Okay, if we want to use image, video or any audio, always remember we have to keep those inside our bucket or inside our folder. Okay, suppose we have a folder HTML session. If I click, and this is our HTML file, and if I want to use any image, video or any audio, I should have to kept here only inside this folder. Okay, because if you put outside the basket image and you are calling uh, from inside the bucket, it won't find its path. Okay, so indirectly your image tag will not work. Okay guys, I hope this picture clears you everything. This is your folder, and whatever we are doing in the project, whatever the resources or the raw files we are going to use in our website development course, we have to keep in a particular folder or in the same folder. Okay guys, so now suppose I want to use a image, so let's download a image. I have downloaded this bucket image. Okay, so let me copy this bucket image and paste it in our folder here. Okay, now coming back to our HTML notepad plus plus, here we have saw the anchor tag, right? And now we will see image tag. Let me create a new here, break. Okay, h3 image tag. Let me close this h3. Okay guys, so image tag is also like anchor tag. Okay, whatever the anchor is doing, image tag will also do the same, but this is for the images only. So we have to start with img, means image. Okay, this is also of container type image. Then src, src means source, where is the file. Okay, we have to give the path here. Okay, and done. Sorry for that, it's an empty type. Okay, it's a empty type tag. Okay, so remember, anchor tag is a container type and image tag is a empty type tag basically. Okay, because it doesn't have any closing. So now here, if you relate this with anchor tag, anchor start with A because it's an anchor tag, okay, and image tag start with img. It shows to HTML that it is of image type tag, okay. And the second in the anchor tag is hyper reference, means the path, you can say, right? The same wise in the image there are source, like what is the source of the image file, okay. So src we use. So coming back to our folder, what is the image name? We have bucket.png. So we will directly write here bucket.png. Okay. Now run this file. If you refresh this, okay, we are getting our bucket, but it's too wide, you can say, and height is also so long. So what you can do, inside a image tag you can directly give its width, okay. I will explain this thing to you later on, but just to see the image clearly you can give right now, okay. So how much you want to give? Suppose we are giving 50 and height we are giving let's see, okay, no need of height, you can work on the width, or 80, it is enough, or 100, okay. So we have covered these two topics, that is anchor tag means the link tag, and the second is image tag, and we saw how to implement or how to integrate a image, okay. Image tag starts with img, and the second attribute is source, okay. Now coming on the third point, that is video tag, okay. Let me create, let me give a heading here, that is video tag, and I think downloaded one video for you guys. So let me copy this to our HTML session folder, same folder, remember the bucket image what I have taught you. Here we have to put all our resources, all our raw files inside the bucket or inside the folder only, okay. So it's movie.mp4. So let me start here. So remember, video tag is a container tag, okay. Video start and close, enter. Let me clear here only, it is of container type tag, okay, and this is of image, sorry, this is of empty type tag, okay guys, and the video tag is a container type tag. So we have a opening and closing of this tag. Inside this tag we have to give the path of the video. So how we used to give in this, we have to write source, okay, source, then src equal to, here the path will come directly, and just close. See how easy is that. Every anchor tags for image, audio, link, video, all are of same time type, just the way of writing is different. Okay, so we need to copy the name of the file here and just paste here. Let's see what's on the screen. Okay, see, we got the image of the video, but we didn't get any control like a play pause button. Okay, so to get that, we have to write here inside the opening tag of the video, we have to write controls. This will give us a control. See, we got all control like play. Okay, then here volume, full screen, and even you can click a screenshot of this also. Okay, so same wise, if you go for audio, open this audio tag. Audio tag is also of container type tag. Okay, so the syntax of the audio tag is also same as video tag. We just have to write audio and close audio, and let me give the source. Okay, src equal to here also you can write controls, and here you can give any mp3 file name. I don't have any mp3 right now, but I think if I rename this, just if I rename this mp3. So I got here one. Let me rename this also. I don't know what is happening here. Let me copy and paste it into our folder. Okay, and let me rename this host.mp3. Okay, and now coming on our audio tag here, just paste it. Okay, and if you refresh the page, here you got, right, say it's playing, but I think I have a mic connected, so okay, so you can try this all. So what we have done in this video, we have learned anchor tag, image tag, video tag, and audio tag. Remember the picture of the bucket in your mind, and keep all the resources and the raw files in a same folder. Okay, so out of these four tags, we have only one tag that is of empty type. Which one is that? Image tag, remember. Okay, so I think that's enough for this tutorial. We will cover the second point in the next lecture. Okay guys, till then, do practice. Okay, so it's time to give you the assignment. Okay, what should I give you? Okay, same wise you have to create like this only. Okay, you have to create a page where which will contain the links, the image tags, video tag, audio tag. Okay, and what you guys have to do after completing this all, you have to mail me your project at this mail id. Note down the mail id, and remember what you have to do. Suppose you have created a bucket here. Okay, bucket means a folder which contains your HTML file, then raw files, image files. Okay, then you have to right click on the folder, and what you have to do, you have to make it a zip file. Okay, and you have to send me at this. Okay guys, so see you in the next lecture guys.